In my kitchen. What's there in my kitchen? What do you do in the kitchen? Fridge. There's a fridge. There are fruit and vegetables in the fridge. Oven. There is an oven. The oven is hot. My mom cooks in the oven. Sink. There is a sink. There are hot and cold water. My mom washes in the sink. Pan. There is a pan. My mom cooks and fries on the pan. Pot. There is a pot. My mom cooks food in the pot. Cup. There is a cup. I drink hot drinks with the cup. Mug. Mug is bigger. I drink with my mug. Glass. There is a glass. I drink cold drinks with the glass. Fork. There is a fork. I eat food with my fork. Spoon. There is a spoon. I eat my food with the spoon. Knife. There is a knife. I cut the food with my knife. Plate. I eat with my plate, spoon, fork. Tray. There is a tray. I put my spoon, fork, plate, glass on the tray.